Hi guys, today we'll talk about different stages of star's life cycle. So first of all, what is a star? A star is basically a huge hot bright ball of gas. And now we will talk about the stages of star's life cycle. The first stage is simply the star formation as a ball of gas and dust that is called a nebula. And then gravity pulls the gas and dust together into a sphere, forming a protostar. As the sphere becomes denser, it gets hotter and the hydrogen changes to helium in a process called the nuclear fusion. After stage number 1, the star is formed. Scientists classify stars by their size, mass, brightness, color, temperature, and age. When the star is formed, after stage number 1, it passed through 3 other stages: the main sequence star, the giants or supergiants, and the white dwarf star. And now we will talk about the 3 other stages. The first stage is the main sequence star. The main sequence stage is the longest stage in a star's life cycle. In this stage, energy is generated into the core of the star as hydrogen atoms fuse into helium atoms. There are 2 types of main sequence star: the high mass star, which leads the star to be a supergiant, or the low or medium mass star, which leads the star to be a giant. As the final stage comes, the stars get smaller, forming a white dwarf. A white dwarf is a small hot star that is the leftover center of an older star. This white dwarf has no hydrogen left and can no longer generate energy by fusing hydrogen atoms into helium atoms. White dwarfs can shine for billions of years before they cool completely. So let's summarize the star's life cycle. First, as we said, it starts as a nebula, then the star is formed. This star could be a high mass star or low medium mass star. And these kind of masses depends on the star. It will be a giant or a supergiant. If it is a high mass, so it will be a supergiant. And if it is a low medium star, it will be a giant. Red giants. For the red giants, it continues its life cycle to reach a planetary nebula. And then it goes to the stage of the white dwarf. However, in the red supergiant, it has a supernova as the next stage. A supernova is a gigantic explosion in which a massive star collapses and throws its outer layers into space. And last but not least, the supergiant star would be a black hole. And like that, we finished the star's life cycle. Thanks for watching.